A pleasant day for everyone. By the way, I'm Armelin L. Gawahan. So today I'm going to present to you the MS Excel Basic Sim. Excel is an incredibly powerful tool for getting meaning out of vast amount of data. But it also works really well for simple calculation and tracking almost any kind of information. The key for unlocking all, all that potential is the grid of cells. Cells can contain numbers, text, or formulas. You put data in your cells and group them in rows and columns. Through the basic step to get you started. When we format cells in Excel, we change the appearance of a number without changing the number itself. We can apply a number format 0.8, $0.80, 80%, etc. or other formatting, alignment, front, border, and etc. Uh, Go to Start and open Microsoft Excel. First, first, enter the value 0.8 into cell B2. By default, Excel uses the general format, no specific number format. For numbers, to apply number format, use the Format Cells dialog box. Second, select cell B2. 3. Right-click and then click Format Cells or press Ctrl+1. The Format Cells dialog appears. Number 4. For example, on the Number tab, select the currency. Note, Excel gives you a live preview of how the number will be formatted under Sample. So, number 5, click OK. Cell B2 still contains the number 0.8. We only changed the appearance of this number, not the number itself. The most frequently used formatting commands are available in the Home tab. 6. On the Home tab, in the Number group, click the percentage symbol to apply a percentage format. 7. On the Home tab, in the Alignment group, center the number. 8. On the Home tab, in the Font group, change the font color. 9. On the Home tab and Font group, add borders. That would be all. Thank you.